to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fill on my mom's nails. They were about 3 weeks old, and we just filled it with some pink cover that I do myself. And here is the box from Madam Glam. So of course it comes in this little nice cushion box, and they sent me this breast cancer awareness little paper to kind of give a little tribute to supporting breast cancer survivors. And this is basically, I think, a little ribbon they gave me. Yeah, they gave me a little pink ribbon so that I guess I can like wear to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So that's awesome. I really like that. Okay, so the first thing we have is these 4 gel polishes from the Rock Paper Scissors collection. So we're gonna be swatching these, and then I'm gonna be swatching some of these to see like what they look like. Okay, so these are basically pale, it says pale cream putting gel. So this is putting gel. I never heard of this. I'm pretty sure I did do a research and some other companies came out with this, but I had never seen anything like it. So this is new to me. They do have a white, which I wanted to do some type of white design on my mom today, something more simple. And I hope this is like a nice tan beige color. So let's just go ahead and start. So let's go with the first color. The first color is called Cold Lips. And this is like a nice sage green color. I really like that. And obviously the pigmentation is always on point. Second color we have is Fantasy Glitter. All right, let's swatch it. It's like a shimmer, very light. You can't really see it, to be honest, but it's there. This color is Foggy Night. Okay, and it looks really pretty. It's a very dark green. It's kind of hard to tell it's green on camera, but I can see the green here. So for the last one from the Rock Paper Scissors collection is Spooky Pants. And this is like a nice orangey brown. Right now this is like the color people are asking for. And if you guys want a discount code, I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. So just go to my description box in this video and you will find my discount code. But the colors are very nice. Very October autumn vibe. Okay, so we're gonna grab their application brush because I think that's what will be best for this. So I think I'm gonna start with like a random color. I don't know if these have different, they just, okay, so this is just says teal pudding gel. Teal pudding gel, okay. And to open this, I'm just going to use this nipper here. See if I can take it out. Oh, the whole thing came out, nice. Okay, but I probably pulled it too hard. All right, so this is interesting. We are going to, okay, so we're going to go ahead and just go into the, what in the world? That's so crazy. It looks like makeup. It's gel. That is crazy to me. What a concept. Okay. I think I should have cleaned my brush though. Let's do that because I did use it before. Here we go. Try to get close up here. Definitely something to get used to. It's such a weird consistency to work with, but it's very cool. I wonder what other things you can do, like if you can make lines with it. I guess we'll attempt that on my mom's nails. So that's the teal color. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try the white one. I wonder if you could draw with this. It is very pigmented for sure. I wonder how they made this.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure,